to enable or disable reverse wireless charging on the Xiaomi 17, you just have to go to settings. Over here, scroll down and search for the battery option. And then over here, we should be able to proceed to the charging options. And in here, we have reverse wireless charging, which we can easily enable or disable. We can also adjust the charging limit, so you can decide how much battery you should have at least in order to be able to charge your other device. Also, the reverse charging option can be added to the control center. If you edit the control center, then over here you can find the reverse wireless charging option, so you can quickly enable and disable this option. Nevertheless, once the wireless charging option is enabled, then you should be able to place your phone face down. There we go. And then on top of that, we're gonna place our other device that we want to charge wirelessly. So let's see if it's going to work. There we go. And now we are charging another device. Of course, this can be another smartphone, this can be a Bluetooth device, anything that can be charged wirelessly. You should be able to charge it with your Xiaomi 17. Leave a like and subscribe.